Selection sort. Selection sort is a very simple and inefficient sorting algorithm that divides the input array into two sub-arrays. The first sub-array contains the already sorted elements that is initially empty, and the second sub-array that contains the unsorted elements and that is initially entire array. So initially entire array, this is second sub-array, and first sub-array that is sorted array, this is sorted, this is unsorted. Sorted initially empty, unsorted that is initially entire array. The algorithm continues by finding the smallest element in the sub-array that contains the unsorted elements. So it's going to find the smallest element, that is 3 for example, and it's going to be exchanged with leftmost unsorted elements. So it's going to be exchanged. So 3 comes here and 5 comes here. After that, the algorithm then moves the first sub-array borders one element to the right. So this 3 will go to the sort part and the unsorted part will be decreased by 1. In the next pass, it's going to find again the smallest element, that is the 4, and 4 is going to stay there. It's going to be added to the sorted part also, 3, 4, and the unsorted part will be decreased again. In the next move, it's going to find the smallest element again, that is 5, and it's going to be shifted to the sorted part, and the unsorted part will be decreased again. In the remaining part, it's going to find again the smallest element, and smallest element will be moved to the leftmost element. So it's going to come here 7, and here will be 12, and that also will be included to the sorted part. So sorted part, as you see, 3, 4, 5, 7, and in the remaining part each time will be found the smallest element and will be added to the sorted part. Let's implement this in Java. Given an array, display the array, sort the array in the ascending order by using the selection sort algorithm, display the sorted array. The array is already given and printed. Now we are going to write the selection sort algorithm. We are going to use 2 loops. They will be 4 loops, and let's write first loop a.length -1. And we are going to take the position which will have the smallest element, that is I. Let's call it min position, will be I. We are going to compare all other elements. Let me show this here. So for example, 5 here will be compared with all other elements. Okay, the smallest element will be found, and after that will be changed. That's why let's call this J, and J starts with the next element. So I plus 1. This is very important. J is less than I.length. That was a length -1 because here it's going to be +1. And we are comparing the J element, the current element, with the min pos. If the current element is less than the min pos element, then we are taking its position. We are not exchanging them for now. We are finding the smallest element position. After the inner loop, we can swap them. We swap them now, and we finished. Now we can print the array again. It's sorted.